Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use Microsoft Office Shapes in Word to create artwork. Today I'm going to make a computer chip. We're going to go Insert, Shapes, and choose the rounded corner shape, shape fill, make it gray, shape outline, no outline. Let's make this fixed position so it's easy to move. Now we're going to give it a gradient. Now we're going to give it a bevel. So now we're going to need a board. Just going to take a regular square one. Center back. Make it green. Is that too bright or no? No, that's okay. Shape outline. Make it a darker green there, like that. Shape effects bevel. I'll take that one. And then I'm going to go into the format shape, 3D format. I'm going to bring down the width. I don't want it to be out there too much. And that, just a light border, hardly visible. Shape fill, gradient. Let's do that just to give it some effect. This thing too, I think the width should be smaller. I don't know about the height. Height is good actually, so I just maybe 8 for the height, 7.5 maybe. 7.5 is good. And you can put some kind of wording on here. I'm just going to say shape fill, no fill, shape outline. Could technically have an outline. Maybe just a gray one. Let's give it some thickness to it. Fixed position. Put it on here. Let's go to the fonts. Take a rounded one here. Say data processor AI. Make this data processor AI. Into an AI. Maybe this one. What if we change the Calibri? Calibri is a little bit better. Maybe give it bold. Not this one here. Just leave that regular. say 4 gigahertz data processor. I'm just going to look here, text effects. Let's give it some glow to it. Edit shape, change shape. Around the corners. Okay. It's much better. Make it black. Darker black. Make it thinner. I'm just going to make a rectangle here. Shape outline. Give it some shadow. Give this some shadow. Actually, we're going to use this. Take out the outline. I've seen something like that in a board. Copy. Paste. Put 2 of them here. Insert shape. Square. Shape fill, make that dark. Shape outline, no outline. That usually goes send backward. Actually, send to back. Then bring forward. So it'll sit here. Like that. Let's see if that works. Take off a bit of the shine. Shape effects. Let's do that. Make it look cleaner. Just draw some connections. Actually, I'm going to try something else here. I just want to shape outline, no outline. Shape fill. If I just go into fill, pattern, green. Let's see. if we create a whole bunch like that, send to back, and then bring forward. We're not going to do that. We're going to go like that. And we're actually going to make that silver. Light silver. And then I don't know shape effects, bevel. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so I'm going to make 4 of these. Copy, copy, paste. Has to go send to back. Bring forward. I'm going to copy this. Home, copy, paste, paste. All right, okay. Let's see. I'm going to still have to adjust it. Unfortunately, I could get away with not having to do that. What can you do? I have to rotate this. Send to back. Bring forward. That. Send to back. Bring forward. Oops. Like that. All right, and then maybe this thing needs a little bit of a edge color. Sorry, that's the fridge. Just so we can see it. Yeah, we'll do it on these edges. Like that. Copy. Paste. We'll send to back. Bring forward. Righty, and then I want to make this one gold. Like that. Narrower. How's that? These two. I'm going to go shape effects, shadow. I think if we group these two, the nice thing is, if we group them, shape group, I'm going to go in a fixed position, home, copy, paste. Can make a second one here. Maybe align them. Shape format, align. Where is it? Top. Usually top is good. And then I can move them over like this. If I go paste, I can make this smaller. Smaller unit. And I think for this one, I'm just going to make that silver. And for this unit, shape effects, give it that different look. Now, of course, there's all kinds of connectors and things like that. So I'm going to just grab the shape. The shape is a good shape. Shape fill. Probably like a white cream color. That. I don't know. Somewhere like about there. Fixed position. shape effect, bevel. See this one. Shape outline, no outline. And then shape. It's a square shape. Shape fill. Yellow. Make it shape fill white. Shape, no outline. So go center back. Bring forward here. Like that. Get the same color. Gradient. Oops, not that one, just wait. That one. Let me give a gradient to this one as well. Okay. You have to put some kind of connection pins here. Shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, maybe darker. To see. That's too large. Shape effect, bevel. Make it like that. Make it 0.1. Okay. That lines up. I just want to go copy, paste, 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 paste. Okay. Then you go shift and select each one. Okay. Shape format, align top, align, distribute horizontally. And now they're all even. I'm going to copy this one. And I'm just going to go look. Let's see what else I can draw in there. Okay. Looks like we need some resistors. And it points. Just going to change these to smooth. For the gradient. And basically everything's going to be like a light brown to start with. This will be blue. Add another one. This one will be red. Add another one, yellow. This will be linear. I don't want it to rotate with the shape. Direction. That's the direction we want. Outline. I want it to be black and thin. Maybe actually I want it to be like a brown. Oops. Shape. There we go. And then pull this out. And I want to have another one here. Like that. Okay. That's all I'm doing. Just gonna go copy, paste, green. And all three of them have to have shadow. Like that. So there'll be a silver one on the outside, shape fill. Like that. And then the hollow circle. And that'll be this one. Let's leave it like that. So I'm going to group everything. Let's make it orange. These two align left. Now with these ones here, these pins, take that one. Shapes. $20.25. Shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, no outline. Put that here. Shape outline. Bevel. Select objects. Shape format, and then group everything. And then fix position. And hopefully everything moves, and it does. Let me just make this width a little bit wider. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.